body bags. Every time I watch CNN, Fox News, or ABC, all I see is body bags, body bags. Every time I log on to Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, all the posts are about body bags, body bags. Every time I talk to my homies from the hood, all they've heard about is body bags, body bags. Piling up as they counting cash, counting cash. This is war in America. No, this is war with America. No swords, all guns. Better hide, better run. Cause ain't no blood on the lamb gonna stop this nuclear bomb from devastating your land. 1945, Hiroshima, Japan. With one button pushed by one man. Kaboom! We doing shrooms. Mushrooms. Ain't much room on this earth when chaotic forces at work. And for peace to be still, you gotta grab you a piece of steel. Please be still. Shh. Please be still. The mother whispers to the little child, who know what hell is now, with no knock or a bell ring. They coming through the door for flashbang. No wonder why that fat lady singing her heart out. Commandos rock with their Glocks out. Rifle drones and tanks will make you think twice. Yeah, they nice with genocide. We just targets in their eyes. You decide. You decide. You decide. You want to kneel? Or if you want to fight, they might. They turn you into terrorists overnight in the sights of the world and stop yours from evolving. Got enough resources to make your allies come all times. Because without exports, you can't even live your lives. Send back in time. Send back in time to the third world. Now your country hungry. We gotta feed on each other just to eat. That remind me of Black Wall Street. Where they napalm the whole city.
My God.
And the police and KKK came to raise more hell. They chanted, burn, baby, burn. Away with everything that you earn, baby, earn.
Oh my God.
It's like our class, fuel their inferno. Disaster is what they souls yearn for. But Black Power. Black Power! Arises out of black ashes with enough passion for our black histories the presidency and grasp it. We something like some spoofs with this passage. Going apeshit, guerrilla warfare, what they expect us to be complacent. They got us bent. When we straight, like light rays, melanated rains all day. Melanated rains all day. They see our unity and try to slay. They see our unity and try to slay. They killed Dr. King, a loving human being, when found guilty of presidents and peace. But what about the tree? The legislative legislative, judicial, executive branches formed against me will never prosper, even though they favor these coppers. Loose cannons, no newsmen.
God.
We're sick and tired of being sick and tired of you using your power to oppress our lives. The worst is that Willie Lynch's living men are still alive. How can we win a war when there's a battle inside? The hood is filled with black gangsters, with white supremacist minds. We live in poverty, so flashy cats fill with eyes. To lack of and desperation, lead them to the fire. The hood is filled with black and brown kids ready to rise. For education, so their minds is never satisfied. But they know that kings or queens of false authority gets denied. Even though to be revolutionary may be suicide, they say it's time to hoodie up, grow afros, and ride or die.
Oh.
It's a struggle. But we know that we just targets in their eyes. But we decide we ain't gonna kneel. We gonna fight they might. Black power everlasting like the cosmic nights. Our excellence overshadows the enemy needs to battle. The world needs us like skunk needs scrubs, or like walls need plugs, or like streets need signs. There's one thing I'm proud to be. Even with all these struggles, they try to put on top of me. One thing that I'm proud to be is African in America.
Please make some more noise, y'all, for Qudus.